We appreciate you attending the 60th anniversary of the Darryl Starbird National Rod and Custom Car Show here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And big thanks to our sponsors, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Without them, this show does not happen. Obviously, we are all here to see the grand reveal of what's being called the Predicta Elite. For those of you that are unaware, the Predicta is the car that more or less put Darryl Starbird on the map, made him the bubble top king. And after a few iterations, Monogram got really interested in it, and they decided to sell more models. It needed to be the color red. Shortly after Monogram got done with it and it was given away in the sweepstakes, it got painted different colors. So the Predicta in its version of red was very short-lived. It's been roughly 50 years since anyone has seen this car in a red version. Now this is not the original Predicta. That one is housed in the Museum of American Speed in Nebraska. So this is technically a clone, but again, this is exactly as it looked like when it was given off to Monogram. Real quick, we want to have some special thanks. The builders, of course, Mr. Cliff Starbird, Darryl's son, was the lead builder. Let's give him a round of applause. There he is. Back over here. Big thanks to Everett Reynolds, Eric White, and Jonathan Dillinger. Let's give them a round of applause. Special thanks to Nick Starbird and Jerry Dillinger for pitching in some time to help with it. Let's give them a round of applause. And without House of Color and Walt Upholstery of Mulvane, Kansas, this part doesn't get done. So let's give all those guys a big round of applause real quick. All right, we're going to bring out some of the builders here to uncover it. Rochambeau, what are we doing? Get out there, guys. Real quick, hold on, guys. Cliff's going to say a few words.
Guys, thanks for coming up here. We're going to enjoy the show. These four guys staying right out here. They work their butts off with it. They do this in 9 days. And we start off with 56 kilos. And we go to an old shop. John will come down to all those. Eric will come in. Let the sun on there, stand on the side. And Jerry going to it.
All right, everybody, what do we think? We're ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, let her rip, guys.
Stitched hundreds of hymns for idols and
how are you doing? Oh no, get him a shot, come on.
Patchwork is work. Daughter of a son of a daughter, son of a daughter, daughter of a son. What would you pay for water when you're on the road alone? Father along the path of time, to the north and the west of trouble. You can greet the mother of the sea as her rising tides the son of a daughter, son of a